Hello, people. So, yeah, I really have to say this that it's been my observation that there are these 10, 15 people who are so kind to watch all my videos. Like, as soon as I upload it, I can be sure of at least, these 10 people watching, or maybe it's, yeah, 15. So it feels so sweet, and it's probably that's what, just 1 minute of your time, but it makes so much of a difference to someone. So just a big thank you to there's this person, I call him Bhaijan because he's from Pakistan, and it's called the American Center, the some that's his the Halal American Center or something of that. So thank you, Bhaijan. Thank you. There's this another person, Mr. Manoj. So it it really makes a big difference to me that y'all are kind enough to watch my videos. So yeah, I know this is like a very strange thank you video, but I just felt I had to say this. So big thank you to people, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.